In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a specialized profile on Upwork. If you find yourself in need of removing a specialized profile for any reason, this straightforward guide will help you take care of it efficiently and without fuss. Whether you're consolidating your offerings or just updating your freelancing approach, this task can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you're clear and confident in the process. First, we're going to open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever you're comfortable using. Once your browser is open, type Upwork into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll want to click on the official Upwork link to navigate to the website. When you're on Upwork's homepage, it's time to log in. You probably already have your login credentials on hand. Enter your username and password to access your account. Remember, keeping your login details secure is important, so avoid using public computers for this process if possible. After you've successfully logged into your Upwork account, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You will see your profile picture there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you will want to select Profile Settings. This will take you to an area where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once you're in your profile settings, it's time to scroll down. You'll want to keep going until you spot the Specialized Profiles section. Specialized profiles are a great way to highlight specific skills or services you offer. However, if it's time to let one go, we need to take the right steps to remove it from your account. In the Specialized Profiles section, you will see a list of all the profiles you have set up. Next to each specialized profile, there will be a subtle icon, commonly referred to as an ellipsis menu. Click on the ellipsis next to the profile you wish to delete. This will prompt a menu to open, giving you some options. From this menu, you want to select Delete. After choosing Delete, a confirmation dialog will appear. This step is crucial as it ensures that you don't delete a specialized profile by accident. Go ahead and confirm your choice to delete. And there you have it. Your specialized profile has been successfully removed from your Upwork account. That's all it takes. You've now learned how to remove a specialized profile with just a few clicks. This is great knowledge to have, especially if you need to keep your offerings relevant and up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process as straightforward as possible.